Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to sign in or log in to your NVIDIA account. So let's get started. So if you want to sign in or log into your NVIDIA application, what you can do is just simply open up your NVIDIA app in your device, and after opening it, now what you can do is just tap on login, which is on the top right corner of your screen, and by tapping on login it will take you to a website where you can log into your account. So now in order to log into your account, you just have to enter your email address, or you can also continue with your Google, Discord, or with your Apple ID and with your Facebook. So if you have used this, you can do that, or you just have to enter your email address. So just simply enter your email address, and before entering your email address, you have to make sure that you have used that email address to create an NVIDIA account. So if you'll enter a new email address, it will take you to a sign up page where you will create a new account. Just enter email address which you have already used to create a NVIDIA account. And after entering that, now it will ask you to enter NVIDIA account's password. So just enter your password. After entering the password, just tap on login. And after tapping on login, here you can see you are logged in. And now if you'll open up your NVIDIA application, you have successfully logged into your NVIDIA account. And now you can just install a game and just play your NVIDIA games. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your NVIDIA account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.